so the plan. We've got a 7-foot space, approximately 2 feet wide, and we want to build a little test bench. So we're going to be framing at the top the nice sturdy workbenches we've made in the past. Throw some legs on it. And at the back, and then the bottom shelf here, and then 2 additional shelves will be little substructures on slides. And that's about 42 and a half. And that's the plan. Full isolation mode. We're over here at the Home Depot. Placed our order yesterday around 4 p.m. It's almost noon, and I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting. Looks like I got here at a good time. The lineup only went to the garden center. Now it goes almost all the way to the McDonald's. Alright, so we got everything from Home Depot pickup. Didn't take too long, but longer than I would have liked. Let's go. Alright, so because the planer and the jointer are currently out of commission, i.e. they're just covered in junk right now, as you can see, we've had to do the old table saw trick to make 2x4s look good by cutting off kind of a 1/4 inch on either side, get rid of that round over, so it makes a more presentable, feel. so pretty successful day one, not counting the Home Depot fiasco, the rest of the world fiasco, let's be real. I got the two main frames, the top, bottom, legs, and some auxiliary pieces cut. I was really hoping to get to chopping the plywood up so I could throw it on top. We're not getting there, so I don't know what the plan is because I don't have room to stick it in here. I'll probably ditch it at my day job shop, hopefully.